Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this car features a lovely panoramic glass roof, gets 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got this 7-inch touchscreen. Now this features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car's only done delivery miles. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. If this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.